for the last part in core Java. If you haven't watched the previous videos, just watch it, because there will be a link to topic by topic, and I am already a pre-contextually I am saying like I am not covering deeply into it. I am just briefly covering the topics, and it will be a quick revision for you, and it may be a mind map for you if you are preparing for any exams or interviews. So this is the last part of core Java. In the previous video we have seen collections framework. I think we have seen about it. So we have the remaining part of legacy collections. So I will write. So the mainly the legacy collections is another part, like collections framework collections we have seen in the previous video. Now legacy collections they are enumeration and vector, and we have hash table, then we have string tokenizer, and then we have date, then we have stack, then we have random, finally properties. So in these legacy collections, at first we will see about enumeration is nothing but to iterate it, just like iterates the values, stores the data, and vector as well, it stores the data but in a 2D form. And as you can say, vector it will have both speed and direction in physics, but not in Java. It will have the two-dimensional vector. And we have hash table. Hashing technique will be used to store all the data. And we have string tokenizer. In the previous string handling part we have seen about string tokenizer. It will returns the how many words, returns the tokens in the sentence. And we have date, even we have date class as well. It is used to get the system time, and system date. We can get the system date, and there is a small function like local time. I think about, I am not going deep dive into it, I am just explaining about it. It will have so many functions about the date. By using date class we can achieve it. And we have stack is nothing but it follows the last in first out principle. And we have stack class. By using stack class we can perform so many operations. And then we have random is also a class. We will use random to get the values based on the range or based on the data type. We will get the values. And finally we have properties is nothing but it will store the value, property key and property value, or we can say property name equal to property value. By using this we can store the data, and we can access the properties through a program. And then we have collections API improvements. Collections APIs improvements is nothing but in this collections API improvements we will have the off method. Off method will be used to add more than one element at a time, and it will be useful for list set map interfaces. This is about collections API improvements. And then we have stream API. Stream API is nothing but it will be a flow of data. That means in this flow we will do some operations. It is nothing but collection of objects that are pipelined to perform some operations to get our desired output stream API. So for example, I will give an example. So for example, I have loaded the data, then I want to sort the data, then I want to display the data. So here we have three operations in this pipeline. We have loaded the data, we have sorted the data, we have displayed the data. So we have our last topic, that is generics. Generics is nothing but it allows to write type safe programs. So it is nothing but we can decide our data type while creating an object in the program. While in the program we can decide our data types dynamically by using generics. That is about this generics. And here we came to the end of this core Java series, and we have came to the part 10 end also. So that's why I have included this completed image. So it was really a nice revision, a quick revision mind map for you, to all my viewers. So that's it in this core Java series. Keep an eye on the channel and playlist. I will include one more tech series or tech about the technical or programming language or anything. Thank you.